Deep in the mysterious wetlands of our planet, there are plants that are unlike any other. They are green, they are beautiful, and they are hungry. Yes, these are the plants that eat insects and sometimes even more. Welcome to the strange and exciting world of carnivorous plants. Carnivorous plants are the green hunters of the plant world. What are carnivorous plants? Those plants make food from sunlight using photosynthesis. But some live in poor, nutrient-starved soils. So, to survive, they had to invent a new trick: catching and eating insects. These plants are called carnivorous plants. They live in bogs, swamps, and wetlands. Soil there has very little nitrogen. By eating insects, they get the extra nutrients they need. The different traps. Carnivorous plants have developed amazing traps. Let's meet the most famous ones. Venus flytrap, the snap trap. Found in North and South Carolina, USA. Has two jaw-like leaves that snap shut when insects touch sensitive hairs. Digests prey inside within a week. Fun fact: Venus flytrap only closes if two hairs are touched within 20 seconds, to avoid wasting energy. Venus flytrap. Pitcher plant, the pitfall trap. Looks like a tube or cup filled with liquid. Insects are attracted by nectar, slip inside, and drown. Digestion happens in the fluid at the bottom. Fun fact: some pitcher plants are large enough to trap frogs or even small rodents. Pitcher plant. Sundew, the sticky trap. Has red, sticky tentacles with drops that shine like dew. Insects get stuck and slowly wrapped by the plant's arms. Fun fact: some sundews can move their tentacles in just a few minutes. Sundew. Bladderwort, the suction trap. An aquatic carnivorous plant. Uses tiny bladders that open like a vacuum when small creatures touch them. The trapdoor closes in less than a millisecond, the fastest movement in the plant kingdom. Fun facts: the Bladderwort has the fastest trap in the plant kingdom, closing in less than a millisecond. Bladderwort. Butterwort, the sticky leaf. Has flat, greasy leaves that trap insects. Useful for catching gnats and flies. Fun fact: in the past, people used butterwort leaves to curdle milk for cheese making. Butterwort. Once the prey is caught, the plant releases special digestive juices, enzymes, that break down soft parts of the insect. The plant then absorbs the nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus. This helps them grow in places where normal plants would die. Where they live: Venus Flytrap, North and South Carolina, USA. Pitcher plants, Asia, Australia, North and South America. Sundews, found on almost every continent. Bladderworts, freshwater ponds worldwide. Butterworts, found in Europe, North America, and parts of Asia. They live on every continent except Antarctica. From tropical rainforests to cold bogs, carnivorous plants have adapted to survive in the toughest conditions. Carnivorous plants are more than just strange curiosities. Scientists study them to learn about evolution, survival, and even how to design better technology. Their unique traps inspire ideas for robotics and suction devices. Sadly, many carnivorous plants are endangered. Habitat loss, pollution, and illegal collection are threatening them. Protecting wetlands and growing these plants responsibly in nurseries can help keep them safe for the future. So, the next time you see a swamp or bog, remember, hidden among the mossy ground may be plants that are not just survivors, but hunters. Carnivorous plants remind us that nature is full of surprises, and sometimes, even the greenest leaves can have the hungriest hearts. Thank you for watching.